Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus and subscribe my channel. Today, we're looking at a masterpiece of luxury meets aggression. This is the Mercedes-Maybach S 680, but not as you know it. It's been reimagined with a bold, custom wide-body kit that demands attention. The first thing you notice are those massive flared wheel arches. This wide-body conversion transforms the elegant S-Class silhouette into a muscular beast. The deep metallic burgundy paint highlights every curve of the custom bodywork. Sitting on oversized, multi-spoke chrome alloys, the stance is incredibly low. Under the hood of a standard S680 is a legendary 6.0 LV12 engine. With this custom setup, including that quad exhaust system and carbon fiber diffuser, the performance matches the looks. Check out the intricate LED taillights and the S680 badging. Every detail, from the integrated trunk spoiler to the illuminated driveway, suggests a futuristic, high-end lifestyle. It's the perfect blend of Maybach comfort and street presence. Whether it's a digital concept or a real-world build, this S680 widebody is a statement of power. What do you think? Is this too much for a Maybach, or is it just right? Let us know in the comments.